Hello everyone, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from excelbasement.org. Uh, we will be officially launching on 21st March 2014 inshallah. But before that, this is our pre-video launch, and me and Sharjil came up with an amazing and awesome trick on Excel charting, and today in this screencast we will be sharing with you so that you can uh, apply these tricks in your daily work routine in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Few days back, when I was going through my utility bill that is related to gas consumption, um, I saw a column chart in that utility bill, and the good thing was that they um, created a column chart with having two horizontal axes, like they showed up the monthly consumption with the trend of last 12 months, and they split the 6 months into the first line and then alternate 6 months in the uh, second line. So I thought that why don't we make this kind of chart in Excel and share with our Excel users. So starting with this trick, how we can apply this in our Excel charting. um, I have a simple data here, which consists of months, last 12 months, and the units consumed according to these months. Alright, and what I have did is I have used some helper cells, you can say helper cells with a column, and for 12 months what I have to do is to split 6 months in the first line and the uh, split second months in the 6 months in the second line. So for having the 6 months in the first line, you just have to put a simple formula that is equals to the cell reference contains in your actual range of your database, monthly database. So you will put like equals to B5, that refers to Jan 14. Similarly, for every alternate month you have to put the only cell reference. But for moving the months into the second line in the horizontal category axis, what you have to do is you have to use a function that is called equals to character, or you can say char. So I think the character would be correctly pronunciation for this. We have a function in Excel, and the number is 10 to move the some text into the next line. Let me share one example with you. If I write my name here, is that is Rahim Zulfikar, or I can say that Rahim Zulfikar. Let me just correct it. Alright, now I want to move the Zulfikar into the next line. So what I will do is I will press F2 and I will press Alt Enter to move Zulfikar into the next lines. Similarly, in Excel we have a function that is called equals to character, that shows the description of returns the character specified the code number from the character set for your computer. And we have a number here that is 10 to enter some text into the next line. Okay, so we will be applying this function to move these remaining months into the next line. So what I have did is I have used equals to character with the number of 10, ampersand, text function with the cell reference, and getting into the correct format, that is months and years, so that I can show up the correct months in the 3 alphabets and years in 2 numbers. Alright, so character, 10, ampersand, and text function. And what I have did is copy these two cells formulas and paste it below. So you will get the same list as the list is shown you above on your database. But what the difference is, when you be plotting this months or in the horizontal category axis, you will be getting this extra space in your chart, Excel chart, column chart. So it will show up like that you have just to move this into the next line. So let me just create the column chart for you. Select the units consumed here, go to insert ribbon, there's a technical problem, I guess. Okay, go to insert and click on column chart. Alright, click on the chart, go to select data, and here click on edit and select these range from the helper column we have just made. Press OK, and now you can see that your chart horizontal axis has been divided into two lines, that is the 6 months, alternate 6 months in the first line, and these alternate 6 months in the second line. So this is how you can utilize the character function by having these helper column, and you can make these charts amazingly and presentable in your presentations or somewhere else. For more information, or you can join our Excel classes also. So the information has been shown up in your screen right here, so you can contact us. Feel free to share this video with your friends and colleagues. I hope you like this trick. Thank you so much.